So today is the day.
The day we've been waiting for over 2 months. Closing day. We're finally getting the freaking keys to our house. And then we have the fun task of moving everything into the new house.
And we have Taco Bell.
Chalupas as fuel, inspiration, everything that we need to get through today. And just to let you know, it's 9:15 in the morning and we're already eating chalupas.
Yeah,
that's true love.
I have a chalupa obsession that I just discovered yesterday. I was like, baby, I really like chalupa.
You did not just discover it yesterday. You discovered it when we came back from New York and through St. Albans.
St. Albans, yeah.
That's
So
when
now-
it started. So it is move-in day. We're closing on the house, and we're just waiting on Nick, our real estate agent, to do a final walkthrough. And yeah, this is our front porch, which needs some serious work. This is our front porch. But we did find that there's this cool little extra space in here, which we can use as storage, because that used to be an entrance into the house, but that got closed off. You can get into the house through here as well. Definitely a lot of work that we need to do here, but slowly but surely we'll get it all fixed up, make it look good. And yeah, we're waiting on Nick. He should be here at 10, so we got here a little bit early. Fortunately, Camila and I are not very tall, but I am getting pretty close to that.
It's because of your hat. No, even so.
Pretty sure if I go tippy toes, yeah.
Sean, be careful.
So, if any tall people visit, I'm sorry, you might get your head knocked off. Our internet hookup and everything, so we'll set up our TV and everything over here. We need to figure out these floor vents because they get in the way. We just got the keys. We do have to. Oh my god, it's 10:29. Yeah, we gotta go.
Yeah.
We officially own a house.
This is all the paperwork, and this is my build. I'm excited.
I can't believe it's over. Have officially bought our house, and I can't believe it. I can't believe we officially own a house. This is like, I can't express how much work goes into buying a house. So if you are ever interested in buying a house, be prepared for, having to be patient, having to go through a lot of waiting for, things to go through. It's just a long process, but totally worth it. I feel so happy right now.
So now we are going to go to pick up the internet in a town called Ogdensburg. That is 40 minutes driving from here. And yeah, there we're gonna go to the store unit in Potsdam to grab some things. We're gonna spend our first night here.
Yeah, we gotta at least get some of the basics. I think we should get the fridge as well.
Yes, we have some food. See. We just discovered there's a Taco Bell on Potsdam.
Right next to our storage unit, which is fantastic.
I know.
Because we love Taco Bell. It's probably our favorite fast food restaurant. What's your top three? I know what my top three is. I have a feeling our top threes might be the same.
Taco Bell.
Yep.
Chick-fil-A.
Yep.
And I don't know if I've got Subway.
Yeah, that's my top three.
I'm sorry for the change in the things I say. It's not that I don't notice, to me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind. Well, I hope that you know that I hear, that I don't let it show, that I want.
We are thinking what we're gonna get. Here we have the mini fridge that we got on Facebook Marketplace. And this thing that is gonna be our temporary oven for now because we don't own one. But it's fine. They have some chairs. And Sean is like thinking what he wanted.
I definitely want to get our green inflatable.
Oh,
But I think those are the other units. I don't see them in here.
so today is the day. It's a real day when we're gonna have some beds.
I know, I can't wait.
We're sleeping on the floor.
I was about to ask you something, but then I just realized that you're recording, so I'm going to wait until after you're done recording.
So I'm very happy, so I'm gonna do my dance.
You feel good now?
Yes, I'm very excited. It's not sleeping in the floor.
I know, we've been sleeping on the floor for a long time.
Yeah, but now this is gonna start looking like our home.
Here we go.
Baby, the big move is here. Like your glasses.
Yeah, they're pretty awesome, right?
When you dress up for the night and I don't say a word, it's not that I don't notice, but still you should have heard. Complacent in the way I see you every day. Oh, I
don't know how we're gonna fit this huge mattress
There's no way.
on this. No, there's no way, right?
And we want a king. Yeah, I don't think this thing's going to fit either.
Oh, I know.
Jesus. Well, we try to fold it and bend it.
Finally, we are here drinking beer.
Talking God, amen. I'm totally gonna save that for the chicken coop, I decided.
Gosh, look at that beautiful weeping willow.
So, we're enjoying a nice Sam Adams Oktoberfest after a long day. Long months, quite honestly, because we've been waiting for a long time to finally be here. And here's our view. We were hanging out down there before, but we discovered that we have some mosquitoes because it just rained and ants. We're gonna have to, honestly, I think I'm just gonna start setting up those traps tomorrow. I'm just gonna like put them in the grass there. And we're back. I just got attacked by a bee, so I had to end abruptly. But anyway, again, this is our first chapter
For a new adventure.
of our new adventure. I don't even know, what are we called? The Cross Life?
The Girls Life, we're about to decide the name of the channel.
I
So,
think I like the Cross Life.
the Girls Life.
Because our last name is Cross.
Yeah.
And what else, babe?
See you in the next episode.
Hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Bye.
It's time for a beer. Bye-bye.